this match, first referee, Manny Buenaventura, national referee. Second referee, Alvin Ledesma, national referee. Let us now meet the starters for both teams. First, for the PhilHealth Health Insurers. Let's start with our outside hitter, number 1, Mitch Agton. Middle-blocker, number 7, Aina Caspillo. Outside hitter, number 8, Kang Rica. Opposite hitter, their team captain at number 11, Ken Texon. Middle-blocker, number 14, Joy Pagon. Setter, number 15, N.N. Raterta. Starting libero at number 12, Mai Magbantay. And coach of PhilHealth, Carl Espino. Calling on the starters of the Philippine National Police Lady Patrollers. Let's start with our setter, number 3, Patrolwoman Entezar Bangcola. Outside hitter, number 5, Patrolwoman Mila Ronquillo. Outside hitter, number 6, May Villanueva. Middle blocker, their team captain at number 7, Police Corporal Cez Oliveros. Opposite hitter, number 8, Patrolwoman Pinky Salavante. Middle blocker, number 10, Patrolwoman Chris Etucas. Starting libero at number 2, Patrolwoman Rex Salimshaco. Head coach of PNP, Senior Master Sergeant Rod Pinalba.
Parehong komunidad gutom sa panalo. Ito ang starting 6 ng Health Insurers, coached by Anthony Carl Espino. Watch out for Michelle Agton, one of their key players. Samantalang ito ang starting 6 ni Coach Rod Pinalba. Galing din sa talo. In 3 sets, ang Lady Patrollers, Ronquillo will be one of the key players, kasama si Etucas. Here we go. Set number 1 is underway. Raterta. Ronquillo. First touch. Inangat ni Magpantay. From the back row. Agton. And Agton will knock it in.
Miscalculation on the side of PNP.
Nakita nyo si Rod Pinalba. Wait a minute, yung libero will have to do it again. Yung pagpalit nila, Vicente checking in for Limsiaco. So Raterta with a full front line. Siya ang nagsiserve ngayon and unfortunately sends it into the net for the first point ng Lady Patrollers. Floater, yung serve ni Ronquillo. And Raterta sets it up. Push para kay Texon. And Villanueva naitawid ang bola. That hit coming from Rochelle Rica. Raterta. Agton will set it up and go back to Rica. Villanueva. Inangat ni Agton. And hit by Texon. Gandang palitan to. Villanueva. Easy over. Raterta. Tip para kay Pagon. Villanueva. Wow, long rally. Just for the 3rd point ng set number 1. Oliveros, it's outside.
And like we say, this is normally how it ends, but when there was a touch called by the second referee.
Alvin Ledesma may block touch daw. Oh. And lucky break dito para sa Lady Patrollers because there doesn't seem to have been a touch. Bad pass by Magpantay. Agton. Gonna be a chance ball. Lady Patrollers. Bangkola to Villanueva. Yes!
Good start para dito sa PNP.
Serve is wide para kay Ronquillo. Good serve para kay Rica, but a great pass. Overpass dito. A dig over para kay Magpantay. Villanueva looking for back-to-back points. Ganda ng dig ni Rica. Tip by Agton. Agton. It's an easy over para sa Consulta or Health Insurers. Good save para kay Bangkola. Another long rally in the making. Roteta on 2. Limsiaco inangat. Another easy over. Magpantay with a save. Agton. Popped up by Limsiaco. Villanueva.
Oh, what a pickup.
Dig para kay Rica. Agton. Seems like this rally is never going to end. Villanueva. Laterta. What an exchange.
Exactly. Good defense by both teams. But that was ended by Bangkola.
Kung ngayon na magiging trend natin, pati tayo kakapusin ng hininga dito sa palitan ng parehong koponan.
But that just goes to show, you know, the kind of defense both of the teams have. So even malakas na palo or yung mga tips lang nabubuhay eh.
About an ace there para kay Oliveros. One of the shortest points so far in the opening set. (5-2). Lady Patrollers, Magpantay, bad pass. Back-to-back aces para kay Oliveros.
Well, another good serve.
Agton. Oliveros ang may dig. Villanueva. Raterta, the set to Agton. And net touch. Itatawag nila kontra kay Etucas. Mantala Caspillo checking back in. Full front line para kay Raterta. They have Texon, Agton, and Caspillo sa harap. Villanueva ulit. And it's on the line and may net touch pang itatawag kontra kay Texon.
Comfortable 4-point lead here.
Tin Bangkola, starting setter, former Letran player. Colegio. Raterta with the underhand pass. Texon. Vicente. And nice cross-court hit, pero that one is going to be wide para kay Salavante. Ken Texon. Good pass. Villanueva. Pinatalbog sa net. Magpantay inangat. Raterta. And that one, good up para kay Vicente. Villanueva. The up. Eto si Agton. Block. It goes outside.
Good call para dito sa PhilHealth to let that go.
Five serving 7. Bad pass. Para kay Salavante. Salavante with a drop. The save is no good. Gonna be 4 touches kontra kay Agton. Puntahan natin itong report ni Rina Villamor Camara.
Yes, let's talk about the PhilHealth Health Insurers who came from a 5-setter game against the BFP Firefighters just last Wednesday. Pagod sila physically kung sila ang tatanungin mo, but mentally they're strong enough and tough enough to go up against the PNP Lady Patrollers. In fact, for this ball game, the challenge for them is to be able to outsmart here the PNP Lady Patrollers. They will rely here and maximize here their go-to person, sina Raterta, Agton, and Rica Rochelle. Pero sabi nga ng kanilang team captain na si Karen Texon, they cannot rely just on these 3 persons alone. Individually, they must be able to contribute here. And kailangan pantayan nila yung individual effort at skills dito ng PNP Lady Patrollers. For this ball game, it's all about positioning and coverage para sa kanilang kupunan para hindi rin sila mamatayan ng bola, especially in the back row that has been a challenge for them in their past few games. They will also show a lot of eagerness dahil coming sila sa 3 sunod-sunod na pagkatalo dito. So they will eventually bounce back for this ball game. Back to you guys.
Maraming salamat, Rina. Yep. After one win nung opening game nila, sunod-sunod na talo para sa Health Insurers. Nice one-handed set, pero tukas, back-to-back errors para sa kanya. And just like that, nabura yung 3-point lead ng Lady Patrollers. Were tied at 8.
3 consecutive points by PhilHealth.
Agton. Nice serve, bad pass ni Ronquillo. Salavante. Magpantay. Saving. Rica outside.
Too much power on that hit.
Tukas. Serving. Oh, nice hit down the line. Para kay Caspillo.
That was a good angle chosen as well. So no defender down the line.
Tied game at 9-all. Oliveros. Net touch.
Net touch. A lot of errors happening on the side of PNP.
Kaya mapapatawag din ng timeout si Coach Pinalba kasi yung kalabangan nila nawala na. Sila pa naghahabol ngayon, down by 1.
Tandaan lang. Tandaan lang. 8 errors ha, 8 errors. Tingnan nyo. 1 na
Smile, smile!
Isap tayo. Yung back nyo.
Hey, isa lang takalman lang sa likod ah.
Bawi. Tara kayo lang natin.
Wala. Hey, ikaw nagpapahatag sila score.
Didinig natin sa huddle. Errors. Ano kasi 6 of the 10 points ng PhilHealth, bigay yon galing sa Lady Patrollers.
That's right. So they committed errors at the service line. Meron silang 2 net violation error, not to count the attack errors also that they have committed.
10 serving 9. Ronquillo outside.
Ano, too much na gigil siguro meron dito sa side of PNP after nung last loss nila. Samantalang sa PhilHealth, you know, in terms of body language, parang for them, there's really nothing much to lose. No pressure on the side of PhilHealth eh.
Service outside para kay Caspillo, keeping it a close game. Salavante serving 10-11. Agton with a short pass. Rica. Inangat ni Limsiaco. Ronquillo finally gets one. First point ni Mila Ronquillo.
That ties the first set, 11 apiece.
That's going to be outside. Coach Pinalba on your screens. 2 lady substitutions as Panwa and Porio checking in. Raterta with a full front line ulit. Nice block. Pero Porio na itawid ang bola. The save is still good. Ganda ng effort para kay Pagon. Hit by Porio. Yes! Porio. Instant impact. And looking at Coach Anthony Carl Espino ng Health Insurers. Ronquillo, a service fault kanina. And this one down the line. Push para kay Texon. Villanueva. Agton with a pass. Rica.
That was good.
Pinangat ni Banwa. Palo mula sa likod. Kapos para kay Ronquillo, who has struggled sa start ng ating first set.
3 errors already for Mila Ronquillo.
And 9 errors in total.
O, para sa PNP.
Oh, and another one. A receive error para kay Vicente. Biggest lead para sa Health Insurers, up by 2 points.
Well, PNP is playing a little tense dito sa pagpasok ng first set.
Good serve by Rica. Yan, masusundan pa yun, ano?
Oh, set too low.
Very short. Oh. Here we go. 3-point lead, Health Insurers. Konting smile sa mukha ni Coach Espino. Why not? Pagkatapos silang malamangan ng tatlo, sila na ngayon alamang ng tatlo. Much better pass. Banwa to Porio. Inangat ni Raterta. Agton.
Oh, not a good pass.
That's going to be a lifting violation kay Oliveros. All sorts of problems. You can see here, digging, receiving, puro problems para sa Lady Patrollers. They make another substitution. Tejada checking in. Biggest lead for any team. 4 points para sa Health Insurers. Patuloy pa rin ang pag-serve ni Rica.
Another good serve.
Another bad pass. Chance ball para sa Health Insurers. Raterta. Hinatid sa gitna. Ronquillo from the back row. Ito si Texon. Vicente. Too tight at the net yung pasa. Porio. Raterta all the way out to Agton. Yes!
Nothing going the way of PNP right now. So they're struggling to convert the attacks. Nakakaset naman, you know, the attackers have the opportunity, but in PhilHealth, naiaangat ang bola, and the success rate of attack is going the way of PhilHealth right now.
Oh, and another error. That is error number 12. 6. Biggest lead para sa Health Insurers.
And that is actually a 6-point run for PhilHealth.
Another good serve and another short pass. Villanueva. Oh, back-to-back errors. Another timeout para kay Coach Pinalba. Bauna sila ng 7.
Ayaw yung manalo. Nag-receive, ang lambot-lambot ng resibo. Huwag kayo kasing manggigil. Hayaan yung ano sa kabila. Puro kayo ingay, wala namang correction sa error nyo.
Tara! Ano? Bright. Ay, isa. Focus. Basta.
Last timeout na yan ni Coach Pinalba. And since his first timeout, hindi pa sila nakabawi.
That's right. So it is actually, it's the errors really, you know, that's hurting PNP. So PhilHealth, they're not really doing anything exceptional. It's just that there's lesser errors on their side. At mas maingat lang sila pag nagbabalik ng bola. But, you know, everything else actually was kontrolado sa side ng PNP eh.
Bangkola and Salavante nagbabalik. Baon sila ng 7. After leading by 3 points early. What is this now? 8 straight points?
Yes, let's see.
Those 8 all scored by the Health Insurers, by the way. What a dig para kay Rica. Agton, papalo. Limsiaco with a pass. Tejada. Agton. Inangat ni Ronquillo. Here comes Villanueva. And finally a side out para sa Lady Patrollers.
And it is a much-needed side out, but a better passing in that sequence from the side of PNP.
Mahaba-haba ahabulin ni Barbie Tejada and the rest of the Lady Patrollers. Agton. It's definitely outside. No! Overrule!
It actually made it to the corner. Seemed out. Oh, it seemed out, pero pasok.
Breaks in the game, going to the Health Insurers. Chamson papasok para kay Pagon. It's a 7-point lead again. Para sa white and green ng Health Insurers. Bad serve there. Para kay Nina Chamson.
Third service error for PhilHealth. But comparing the errors, Eric, on both sides, so 4 free points lang ang pinimigay ng PhilHealth, but PNP has already given away 13.
Plus 9, ano? Mantala, may clarification dito. Second referee, Aven Ledesma. And regarding substitution, paglabas si Chamson, hindi pa pwede, so she will stay inside. And nadidinig ko naman sa coaching staff ng PNP, sabi kay Bangkola, zone 1 ang serve.
And that's where they bring it.
Caspillo with a nice hit. Villanueva. Ganda ng dig ni Rica. Agton again. Through the double block! So no runs para sa Lady Patrollers as Ferolino papasok para sa Health Insurers. Back to a 7-point lead. Ito yung pinakamalaking kalamangan ng Health Insurers. Bangkola to Etucas, mababa. Etucas sends it outside. Another error, that's number 14.
Etucas does not have, she has not found her rhythm just yet.
0 points, 2 errors. Biggest lead, 8 points. Para sa Health Insurers, and that's another one. Villanueva, no, wait a minute. Off the block, tumama yata kay Agton. All right, so a break here para sa Lady Patrollers. Samantala magpantay, pinapapasok ni Coach Espino and finally makes it in. Pinaltan si Chamson. Villanueva with the serve. Raterta. Agton sets it. Caspillo, wait a minute, tatawagan ng double contact. Si Mitch Agton. Agton. Inangat ni Bangkola. Limsiaco will set it. And Villanueva mula sa back row. What a dig.
It's a free ball by the PhilHealth.
Ronquillo. Raterta sets it back to Agton with the left hand. Bangkola. Salavante. Inangat ni Agton. Back row. Para kay Rica. Limsiaco with the pass. A nice one. Etucas. Pinabounce sa net. Habol si Limsiaco. Ronquillo, easy over. Here comes Agton against a double block. Through the fingertips ni Lim Siaco.
And that could have gone outside, I think, kasi mataas ng contact. Could have gone outside.
23-16. Good pass. Salavante. Pinangat ni magpantay. And here comes Rica. Off the block and outside. 8 set points para sa Health Insurers. Good serve. Bangcola, jump set. Ronquillo, cut shot. What an angle.
Good angle by Mila Ronquillo.
Etukas serving. 1 set point saved by Ronquillo. Drop shot, inangat ni Bangcola. Villanueva, set para kay Ronquillo. Oh, bad pass para kay Rica. And 2 set points na wala sa Health Insurers. Tawag ng timeout. Si Coach Espino, pakinggan natin.
Maya, sa maganda receipt tayo ngayon, ha? Sino nasa likod?
Kami, Mayang, Sarando.
Okay. Mitch, isang magandang receive lang tayo, ha? Isang magandang set lang. Isa na lang yan, no? Wala na, ha? Okay?
Go lang ha, one stop tayo. Isang pasa lang, isang pasa.
One step lang tayo, one step lang. Isa na lang, okay? O, 3, pilit!
Go lang.
Marami pang chances to put it away para sa Health Insurers as Oliveros papasok. Pang-anig na sub na yan ng Lady Patrollers. 1 point away ang Health Insurers from winning set number 1. Mitch Agton on your screens. Etukas with a serve. Yes, a good pass. Rica papabawiin. Ronquillo through the double block. Inangat ni Ferolino. Agton mula sa likod ulit. Ronquillo. Agton with a dig. Raterta. Ang taas ng set. And Rica will send it outside.
That was a good sequence from both teams. And the defense of PhilHealth really has been stepping up.
Tatlong set points na save na. Well, some of those were errors ng Health Insurers, pero that's still 3 set points saved by the Lady Patrollers. Caspillo finally putting in the finishing touch. Ay, dito sa first set.
PhilHealth, complete control of the first set.
Led by as many as 8 points and a comfortable win here kontra sa Lady Patrollers ng Health Insurers. So they're up 1 set to nothing going to set number 2.
How they're performing at the start of this game, but we'll see if PNP is able to adjust, if they're able to recover as we enter into set number 2. Looking at the starting lineup, pretty much the same on the side of PNP, also on the side of PhilHealth. So the starters of PhilHealth, of course, worked well for them. Sitin Bangcola and Rochelle Rica. First serve for set number 2 will be from PhilHealth as Ed Raterta gets ready to serve. Good pass by Oliveros. Dump by Etukas. Straight into the net. Palo nitong si Rochelle Rica.
And this is the kind of start you want. Makakuha ka ng easy point if you're the Lady Patrollers. Texon, uy, back-to-back errors. Ivy para naman sa Health Insurers here in set number 2.
Not a good start here for PhilHealth.
Served by Villanueva. Roterta. Etukas. Oh, and this is what you want if you're Coach Pinalba. 3 straight points, 3-0 start.
Better start here for PNP, and Etukas finally able to get her rhythm. So set number 1, she had 2 attack errors.
Texon, easy over. Pagkakataon para kila Bangkola. They go back to Etukas. Roterta inangat. Agton will set. Rica blocked. And tumama sa antena. 4-0 start para sa Lady Patrollers.
So this is more of the PNP that we know.
Yep. Parang kabaliktad ng fortunes. There's a drop attempt para kay Texon. Salavante, cut shot! Oh, tuloy-tuloy ang pag-arangkada dito ng Lady Patrollers. 5-0 start. This is their biggest lead of the match. At mapipilitan tumawag ng kanyang unang timeout si Coach Espino.
Back to basic tayo. Okay. Alam magkakagulo sa loob. Alam niyo na kung sino yung offense sa sino yung defense. Ha? Alam magkakagulo sa loob. Okay? Kalma.
Tayo.
Okay. Pinal!
Team!
What was the problem, Ivy, para sa Health Insurers? They won by 6 points comfortably because namigay pa sila ng 3 set points nun bago nila na finally na close out, ano? Pero bakit ganito yung kanilang start?
Well, it all started with the attack error, no? So probably siguro medyo a little complacency on their side, but I think it also has something to do with how PNP is playing right now. So mas maganda ang galaw ng PNP and they're not committing as much errors.
Ronquillo. Oh, yes. 6-0 start. Lady Patrollers.
And so what we're seeing right here for PNP, this is not how they started off in the first set. So attempts ng PNP on the first set, a lot of it na angat ng PhilHealth. So ngayon, medyo mas makikita natin, may diin na ng kaunti ang mga palo ng PNP.
Ronquillo, easy over. Easiest ball so far in the second set para sa Health Insurers. They can't put it away. Salavante. Got it again. 7-0 start.
More success in the attacks right now. And sharper attacks actually. So dun nahihirapan si PhilHealth.
So 2 straight points na ipuntos pa rin ng Lady Patrollers after the timeout. And ang Health Insurers, yeah, bad pass. And a net touch. That's going to be against Pagon. 8-0 start para sa Lady Patrollers. Puntahan natin si Rina Villamor Camara.
Yes, things may have gone sour for the PNP on their last game against the Comelec, but for this match, the PNP is making sure that they will come back stronger. Malakas ang kupunan ng PhilHealth, kaya bawalan yung magiging complacent sa larong ito. Last game, naging offline si Team Bangkola dahil hindi maganda yung mga sets na binibigay niya. And for this ball game, si Coach Rod Pinalba is hoping that the sets will be better on this match. He also stressed in that last timeout about receiving the ball very well. Wala silang magandang play in the first set dahil hindi rin nila makuha ng maayos yung bola. Kailangan pa ng konting sipag, which they're doing right now in the second set, para mas maging maayos yung mga atake nila sa bola. And lastly, communication will be a key factor for both teams right now to limit errors. Eric and Ivy.
Maraming salamat, Rina. Well, hindi na to sour. Manamis na itong second set para sa Lady Patrollers. No runs para sa Health and Shooters. They score 1 point sa atake ni Agton. Pero andun agad si Etukas with a side out.
Etukas now serves for PNP.
Ganda pa ng serve. Oh. Raterta. Drop attempt by Pagon. Salavante. Oh, nobody there. 10-1 start. Biggest lead, 9 points para sa Lady Patrollers. Parang nagising nung second set.
Oh, that's right. So, it was a wake-up call talaga yung first set.
Anton. Mahaba, malayo, at outside. 10-point lead. The first double-digit lead for any team. And susunugin na ni Coach Espino yung kanyang huling timeout. We'll listen in.
Ba't sumasabay kayo sa hulog ng kalaban? Naguhulog yung kalaban, sumasabay kayo. Ang gaganda ng bigay sa inyo ng bola, iuhulog nyo lang. Paluin nyo. Ha? Alam pepetics na sa harap. Sa opensa, alam pumuhulog. Bigyan niyo yung palo nyo. Set tayo ng isang maganda, okay? Chay.
Struggle tayo sa mga posisyon natin. Hindi natin alam kung saan yung pinapuntahan natin ang bola.
Ano yung error natin?
Halos natin error.
Ha? Huwag niyo sabayan yung hulog ng kalaban, ha? O 3, bilan! Team!
Dinig natin si Coach Espino, huwag sabayan yung hulog ng kalaban.
Well, what worked for PhilHealth in the first set really is yung kanilang atake. No? So nahirapan ang PNP to defend most of their attacks. But right now, they're not able to really have any opportunity to attack at all.
Service ace pa. Etukas, pinabayaan ni magpantay yung bola. And it fell right behind her. 11-point lead. Lady Patrollers after losing by 6 ng first set. Agton, atake. Yes. All the 2 points ng Health and Shooters mula kay Mitch Agton. Can you believe, after leading by as many as 8 in the first set, 2 points pa lang ang naitatala ng Health and Shooters here in set number 2.
That's right, and really there has been a struggle because again, for one, PNP was able to get back the momentum. Yung pacing ng laro ng PNP ng set number 1, that's not exactly how they really played. So this is more of the PNP that we know.
The push is outside para kay Ronquillo. So first 2-point run para sa Health and Shooters after that serve by De Ocampo, who just checked in. Oliveros with a push and it's a lift.
That was a bit too low. The set was a bit too low.
Oliveros papabawiin at ganun daw dapat. Back to a 10-point lead para sa Lady Patrollers. Salavante serving. Ganda. Service ace! Wala na pong timeout ang Health and Shooters. They cannot stop this unless tulad doon, mismong PNP ang tatapos sa kanilang little run. Service fault para kay Salavante. But it's still a very comfortable 10-point lead. 10 na lang ang kailangan dito ng Lady Patrollers to win it. 10 rin ang kailangan habulin ng Health and Shooters. Raterta all the way out to Agton. Yes!
PhilHealth creating a small run here.
Ronquillo. Much better dig para kay Rica. Ito si Agton with the drop. Yes! Biggest run. 3 points para sa Health and Shooters.
And PhilHealth are varying their attacks. So nakikita nakukuha ang kanilang mga palo. So just a little change in pace with that tip.
Perez, papasok. Papalitan si Ronquillo. Oliveros. Yes! Much better passing. Unang-una and then setting para kay Bangkola. Magpantay, inangat. Caspillo. Salavante was there for the dig. Ito si Oliveros. Caspillo sets. Raterta ang papalo. Ay, Villanueva with a two-handed tip. Villanueva, cut shot. Inangat si Agton. Rica, easy over. Oliveros. Good rally. Villanueva with the first touch. Oliveros dump. Caspillo. And Villanueva. Nakakuha ng side out.
Oh, that was one of good rally as well. So medyo nagkamali lang ng calculation to si Mitch Agton. He's not able to cover that last hit.
Ganda ng serve ni Perez off the bench. And right away, nakakuha ng ace. Balik sa 11. Kalamangan dito ng Lady Patrollers. Caspillo. Baba. 12. Kalamangan ng Lady Patrollers. Another good serve. Agton. Inangat ni Salavante. Limsiaco says, ako na. Salavante from the back row. Agton pushes. Scores.
And she saw that open area in the defense of PNP.
Ganda ng pasa. Limsiaco and again Villanueva. Di makabuelo dito ang Health Insurers.
Villanueva, the current top scorer for PNP with 6 points. So all players of PNP so far more or less have scored the points already. Samantalang for PhilHealth, Mitch Agton is highest pointer, so double digits, 11 points.
One of their backup setters, Pahinado, that just served. Rica off the block. Gets the side out. Substitution para sa Health Insurers, Gumapak and Pagon. Pagon returns, Gumapak first time in the game. Good serve.
That's an ace.
Looked like a miss hit. Pagon will set. And net touch? No, 4 touches to the tawag. Contra sa Health Insurers as they are really not been able to bounce back dito. Mataas Salavante, lalabas. Padilla checking in for the first time today. Well, Bangkola and company 4 points away from equalizing. And they are very comfortably ahead. Up by 11. Padilla. Outside.
3-point awarded to PhilHealth with that error by Padilla, but still very comfortable lead here. 10 points up, 11 points.
Raterta will serve. Good pass. Etukas. Yes.
Almost a good save by Raterta.
Everything going right para sa Lady Patrollers. Almost the perfect set para sa kanila. After having one of the worst starts sa Season 3. Villanueva to Perez. Pahinado with the pickup. Perez ulit. Rica. A push by Pahinado. Rica ulit. Pahinado inangat. Perez. And the push is on the line.
Let's take a look at that last point. Just right on the line. Yeah.
Rica against the double block. Yes. A rare miss receive. Agton. Yes.
That was a miss hit, but still score the point for PhilHealth anyway.
Ten-point deficit. Hinahabol ng Health Insurers. Perez, easy over. Raterta, hinatid kay Agton. Looking for back-to-back points. Yes.
Three-point run here for PhilHealth.
Pahinado with the pass. Etukas, yes. 10 set points, Lady Patrollers. Service outside. The serving is Pagon. 9 set points kontra sa Health Insurers. And there it is, the finish. Padilla with a winning point para sa Lady Patrollers. Sila naman winning comfortably here in set number 2. So, one set apiece. And we're gonna see at least a 4-setter sa ating huling game pagkatapos ng dalawang sweeps in the first 2 matches mula dito sa Paco Arena. Both teams galing po sa talo. Ang PNP coming off a 3-set loss kontra sa Comelec. Samantalang ang PhilHealth, 5-set loss kontra sa undefeated BFP or Bureau of Fire Protection. All smiles para kila Itukas and ang Lady Patrollers. Samantalang itong sila Rika and the Health Insurers looking to avoid a bad start here in set number 3. Villanueva pushes. Rika. Salavante kapos for the first point ng Health Insurers here in set number 3.
Raterta for the serve.
Etukas. And Pagon sends it away. One all. Bad receive from the libero ng Health Insurers.
A little hesitation there kung kukunin o hindi. And usually yun eh, pagka nag-hesitate ka, nag-doubt ka, that would normally result to an error.
Another bad receive wala kay Agton. So a 3-point run para sa Lady Patrollers. Back-to-back aces wala kay Villanueva. Rika. Yes. May sagot agad ang Health Insurers. Bangkola. Tukas. Agton. It's outside.
Agton's attack, too strong. 2-point advantage here by PNP. Etukas for the serve.
Agton. Nangat ni Oliveros. Bangkola. Hit by Salavante. Push para kay Texon. Iffy set mula kay Bangkola. Good dig para kay Raterta. Agton. Pinangat ni Etukas. Ronquillo. Raterta with a push. Kuhang-kuha agad ni Etukas. Ronquillo too close to the net. Ito si Agton.
Oh, still alive. Good effort by PNP.
Texon with a hit. Bangkola. Oliveros. Rika pops it up. Agton. Wow, what a rally. Ronquillo. Inangat ni Mauricio. Raterta will send it to the net.
Well, fatigue has kicked in probably for N. Raterta.
Coach Espino on your screens ng Health Insurers. Agton, blocked. Subok, Agton ulit. And that is gone. Agton, nakakuha ng side out.
It's Agton, 14 points in this match.
Three serving 5. Pagon ang nag-serve. Oliveros. And a push by Texon. And lifting violation. Itatawag nila kay Oliveros. So double contact. Oo. Kaliwa, taas kanan. Tumalbog ang bola. Kitang-kita ng ating first referee. Sa Labante. Inangat ni Pagon. Agton.
Well, there was a touch.
And a dump attempt. No, net touch. Itatawag nila kay Salavante. So, 2 straight points para sa Health Insurers. Panoorin natin. Ayun, sumabit.
Almost a point there for PNP.
5-all. Set number 3. Oliveros. Inangat ni Caspillo. Caspillo with a push. And Ronquillo with a beautiful angle.
One-point advantage now for PNP.
Caspillo. Inangat ni Limsiaco. Ito na naman si Ronquillo. Down the line. Yes!
Good change in direction from Mila Ronquillo. She went cross-court in the first attempt. And this time she goes down the line.
2-point lead para kila Salavante and Lady Patrollers. 7-5. Make that 8-5. Puntahan natin. Courtside, si Rina Villamor, camera.
Yes, Eric, a lot of errors troubled the PhilHealth team in the second set. Binigyan naman nila ng pagkakataon na makalamang doon ang kupunan ng PNP team. No? Nagka-problema kasi sila doon sa pagbaba nila sa bola at nahihirapan din silang saluhin yung mga atake ng PNP. For Coach Espino, nawala talaga yung focus at talino nila in that second set. And going into this third set, yung kanilang adjustment dito, yung magiging single blocker lang nila. The other player not blocking can move back to provide extra support dun sa kanilang floor defense. At ang sabi lang ni Coach Espino sa kanila, yung sipag nila sa pag-save pa ng bola dito. Eric and Ivy.
Right now, malakas at mabilis ang mga palo ng Lady Patrollers. Ronquillo, ayan, kitang-kita natin. They can't save it right in front of Rica. Bumagsak yung bola. 3-point lead para sa Lady Patrollers, 9-6.
Good serve by Ronquillo.
Caspillo, drop shot. Villanueva. And a block para sa Health Insurers. Good serve para kay Agton. Villanueva. Yes!
Take a look at that attack with Villanueva. Full swing. She just had the right approach.
Ganda yung pasa ni Magpantay, Rica. Tahimik yung opensa ni Rica. And ni Texon, the drop shot is outside. Caspillo serving. 8-10. And kapos yung palo ni Etucas.
Five errors already by PNP. So 5 free points given away.
And just like that, dumikit ang Health Insurers only down by 1. Villanueva, pinatalbog sa net. A bad pass by Texon. Rica with the push. Hindi maka-atake ang Health Insurers. Villanueva. Pinangat ni Pagon Raterta. Drop shot and Etucas with a block.
No coverage on the side of PhilHealth.
Substitution. para sa Lady Patrollers. Sa Levante, uupo. Papasok si Yam Porio. Rica. Finally, Rica. Nakaka-score dito.
6 points for Rica. Second highest scorer para sa PhilHealth. So it's still Mitch Agton leading the team with 14 points. On the side of PNP, no double-digit scorers so far, but Villanueva is the closest to get the first double-digit.
Service error para kay Raterta. As De Ocampo papasok, papalitan si Texon. Villanueva serving 12-10. De Ocampo. A little help from the net.
Much celebration after that point by De Ocampo.
Chance na makatay on the serve here by Rica. 11-12 ang ating talaan. Villanueva mula sa back row. Haba ng habol doon ni Raterta. Easy over para sa Health Insurers. Sa atake. Porio blocked. Porio tips. What a save by Rica. Etukas. Raterta hinatid kay Agton. And Agton with an off-speed hit.
And that point does call for a celebration on the side of PhilHealth. The save of, it was Rica who had that good save.
And aside from the great shot by Agton, nakatay for the first time. Well, actually, for the third time. Ang Health Insurers, pero binawi agad ni Ronquillo with a side out. Agton. Inangat ni Bangkola. Ronquillo, wait a minute.
Double contact. Tied once again, 13 all.
Bangkola. Oliveros, inangat ni Pagon. Rica. Ito si Agton. Limsiaco with a dig. Ronquillo, mababa ang palo and lalamang. Here in the third set for the first time, ang Health Insurers by 1 point. Bangkola. Oliveros drop shot, inangat ni Raterta. Agton. Limsiaco with the dig. Ronquillo drop shot. Oh, what a save para kay Caspillo. Pagkakataon ng matake. Agton. Porio saves it. And that one's in. Napagod na. Humabol ang Health Insurers.
But we've seen a lot of good saves on the side of the Health Insurers. And Ronquillo just pushing up end.
Sa Levante, papasok para kay Porio. We're tied at 14. Agton. Blocked! Oliveros. Palalamangin ang Lady Patrollers by 1 point.
No coverage once again on the side of PhilHealth. Good strong serve.
Agton. Bangkola isiset papunta kay Ronquillo and that one is outside. May block touch. itatawag kontra kay De Ocampo. Two-point lead para kila Salavante. And the Lady Patrollers were tied at 1 set each. Good serve. Oh, but a great pass by Magpantay. De Ocampo into the net. So now a 3-point lead after the error. Good serve again. Malutong na malutong eh, no? Dinig mo.
That's right.
And another error, either that or a block. Either way, it is a 4-point lead para sa Lady Patrollers.
This is a 5-point run for PNP.
And timeout. Si Coach Espino, pakinggan natin.
Tayo opensa, nandito pa rin kayo sa opensa. Sundan nyo yung papalo. Ha?
Pati ano, ang pansin ko, itong area nito, yung sa down, wala masyadong nakuha. Okay na tayo dito sa ano eh, sa cross, itong sa down. Oo, dapat lagi kayong nag-ano doon kasi most of ano, magaling mag-down na lang yung wrong kill.
Opensa. Pag-opensa tayo, sundan nyo yung papalo para merong mag-block man, merong ano. Ha?
Cover kami.
Pilit! Coverin nyo.
Alright, sunod-sunod na errors. Ivy, nabaon ulit sa 4 itong Health and Shooters after a deadlock at 14 all. Tinakbuhan sila dito bigla ng Lady Patrollers.
And over the timeout, we've heard, you know, they've been focusing on that zone 1 area nitong sa PhilHealth. Kasi ilang puntos na nagawa ng PNP. Agton was able to recover. On point here for PhilHealth.
Good response pagkatapos ng timeout ni Coach Espino. 3 hinahabol dito nila Texon and the Health and Shooters. Good serve. Pangcola. Oliveros. What a save by Raterta and Magpantay. Villanueva inangat. Easy over para kay Lim Siaco. Raterta, running attack para kay Caspillo. It's an easy push. Ronquillo, it's on the line.
Ronquillo now on 10 points, or 11 points for PNP. First double-digit scorer for the Lady Patrollers.
And there she is, Mila Ronquillo. Balik sa 4 ang kalamangan ng Lady Patrollers. Caspillo. Mangcola all the way out kay Villanueva. Agton. Drop shot. Inangat ni Villanueva. Villanueva. Papalo and will score. Now it's a 5-point lead para sa Lady Patrollers. Ronquillo with the serve. It is just outside. Well, kung ikaw ay ang Health and Shooters, mas gusto mo itong medyo dikit kesa yung natambakan sila by as many as 11 points in set number 2. The drop shot is wide. And yun, mangilang-ilang errors lang at dumidikit na naman dito. Ang Health and Shooters, it's a 3-point game.
9 free points given away by the Lady Patrollers.
Wow.
And this is the thing, you know, with the PNP. When they commit a lot of errors, PhilHealth naman on the other hand, they know how to take advantage of that fact.
And yun, medyo umaangat yung kumpiyansa ngayon ng Health and Shooters. At si Rica nakakuha ng point off a block touch. Na timeout naman si Coach Pinalba. Yung kanyang lead, dadalawa na lang.
Hindi na mahabulin, ha? Mahabul lang naman sila. Kaya pinaghirapan nyo. Sa mga tarase para makabigay ng play.
sa lagay na ito. It is anybody's set. Kung makakuha pa ng dalawa dito ang Health Insurers, nabanggit nga natin, tumataas ang kanilang kumpiyansa. It is up for grabs itong set number 3. Agton with a good serve. Maganda rin yung pasa ni Salavante. Villanueva. Yes!
May Villanueva flying high for that last attack. Maganda yung contact niya sa bola, no? She's able to get it at the highest point.
And saktong-sakto yung response after the timeout ni Coach Pinalba. Pumuntos ang Lady Patrollers. Here's a good pass by Magpantay. Rica. Yes! Rica, back-to-back points to Ivy.
Rica scoring once again for PhilHealth. 8 points, 7 attacks, and 1 service ace.
Balik sa 2-point game sa pagitan ng PNP at PhilHealth. Villanueva. A good up para kay Agton. Rica ulit. What a dive there. Oliveros to save it. Villanueva. Blocked. Villanueva susubok ulit. Oh, and Villanueva. Back-to-back points din para naman sa Lady Patrollers.
Nakita mo ang sipag ni May Villanueva over that last sequence. Palo niya, cover niya, palo niya ulit.
Tinbangkola serving. Ganda ng pasa na Magpantay. Pagon! It's on the line! What a drop shot with a left hand!
And she was looking at another direction, so nobody in the side of PNP thought that she would drop the ball to her left.
Galing. 2-point game ulit. Ang tanong, maibababa pa ba ng Health Insurers itong kalamangan na to? Because palaging 2 points ang kanilang hinahabol. Oh, and Salavante says hanggang dun lang. 23-20.
Yan, down the line. Yan ang dyan nahihirapan itong PhilHealth. No? PNP has scored a lot.
Ito yung timeout naman. Coach Espino, pakinggan natin.
Black slow nila. 1, 2, 3. Black. Pasok lang. Penetrate lang sa neta. So, 3 spiker. 3 spiker. 3 spiker ka ng Pinky. Sino? Jelly. Si Rongi. Ikaw, huwag ka dot-dot na dito. Tumbahan lang. Tumba ka lang nga tumba. Tumba lang. Tip. Sarap ng wala yung lagan dyan.
Gusto namin ihatid sa inyo pareho. Binigay namin sa inyo yung video ng Health Insurers, pero yung audio ng
PNP. Para sabay.
Wala kayong mamimiss. Ito, tatlo hinahabol ng Health Insurers, kaya nga napa-timeout. Itong si Coach Espino. Good pass again para kay Magpantay. Combo play, pero basang-basa ng depensa ng Lady Patrollers at yung block na yon ay maghahatid ng 4 set points para sa Lady Patrollers. Texon. Bangkola. Villanueva mula sa back row. Agton, pinasa. Ito si Rica. Yes! Rica has scored the last 3 points, Ivy. Itong Health Insurers.
Right, and they would really need more of that, but that was a good attack by Rica. Palusot against 2 blockers going down the line as well.
Kailangan pa nila ng 3 straight points. There's a bad pass. Ronquillo mula sa likod. Raterta pushes easy up para kay Oliveros. Etukas, inangat ni Raterta. Rica will set. Agton nasa harap. Bangkola. Ito si Villanueva from the back row. Easy pass para kay Rica. Agton ulit. Oliveros, good coverage sa likod. Ronquillo. Magpantay with the up. Chance ball para sa Lady Patrollers. Etukas! Yes! And yung chance ball na yun, magandang pasa and sa gitna, pumunta si Bangkola.
That's right. So, of course, a fast play before the PhilHealth will get back into position, and that got them the point.
So, back-to-back sets pinanalo ng Lady Patrollers to go up 2-1 kontra sa Health Insurers going to set number 4.
And for PhilHealth, of course, so far so good for them. They're giving PNP a very good fight. They've able to create opportunities or good sequences for themselves. So it's just a matter of being able to sustain this, yung kapit. That's what PhilHealth would need now. But again, a lot of promise in terms of how they have performed. Kasi kung dumidikit, they are able to tie it with PNP. So it's just a matter again of how well silang kakapit.
And an easy point para simulan ito for the Lady Patrollers to go up 1-0.
Texon with that easy over.
Agton. The save is no good para kay Bangkola, but a great effort.
$16 points for Mitch Agton.
Oh.
Or 17 points rather. That's 17 attack points.
Ronquillo. Inangat ni Agton. Raterta. Papunta kay Rica. Etukas. It's outside. So 2-point run para sa Health Insurers. And they are on top by 1. Bad pass. Easy point para sa Health Insurers. Lamang sila ng 2. This is their biggest lead, Ivy, since set number 1.
And ito maganda kay PhilHealth, no? Even if they are playing catch-up, parang you don't really see the pressure so much in them, no? They're just really enjoying the game. In fact, mas mukhang nasa PNP pa yung pressure kahit nasa kanila yung advantage.
And take a look at this. What an angle para kay Rica. And now it's a 4-1 start para sa Health Insurers.
Rica now in double digits as well with 10 points.
Si Rica nagsimulang mag-init ulit nung third set after being quiet in set number 2 kung saan tinambakan sila ng todo nitong Lady Patrollers. Ronquillo, that's gonna be outside pero hinawakan ni Magpantay.
Miscalculation on Magpantay.
Doon nagtapos yung kanilang run. That was 4 straight points scored by the Health Insurers bago naka-side out. And there is a break point. Oliveros. So 2-point run para sa Lady Patrollers.
And once again, it is that area in Zone 1 where PNP has been getting a lot of points.
Etuka serves to the net. So hanggang doon lang yung kanilang run. 2 points. Five serving 3. Caspillo. Bangkola to Ronquillo. Drop shot. Ang ganda.
Easy point for Mila Ronquillo.
So from down 4 points, or make that 3 points, it's a 1-point game. Yun ang hinahabol ng Lady Patrollers, 4 serving 5. Good serve. Service ace para kay Salavante, and we're tied at 5. Now a chance to retake the lead. Oh, and there it is!
Service ace!
Salavante is a really good server.
4 service aces already here in this match.
Wow. This is now a 3-point run. Another ace. Wow.
3 consecutive aces for Salavante.
4 straight points scored from down 3-5. 7-5 na po ang talaan. Pabor sa Lady Patrollers. Short pass. Rica, easy over. Bangkola. Punta kay Ronquillo. And the up by Agton. Rica, aangat. Push. And it's in para kay Rica to finally get the side out. Bad serve. Bexon.
Oh, service ace once again for PNP. 4th service ace here in this set.
Abang na si Magpantay pero pinasok ni Anton yung path ng bola and tried to get it.
Another service ace.
And there will be a timeout here. Yep, there will be a timeout para sa Health Insurers. And they're down by 4 already.
Siya ang gitna ko.
Ako ganyan position nyo. Nakaganyan kayo sa depensa, di ba? Sa receive. Ayan ang receive nyo. Nakaganyan kayo. Pagka napunta na rito yung bola, wala na kumukuha. Wala na kukuha. Nasaan ka eh?
Ito gataon yung position eh. Di ba? Rica, oh. Di ba nandun si Rica, tapos dito si center, tapos middle. Ayan no. Ito itong position na to.
Isa, layo pa na ha. Layo pa na. Lalata.
Sa magandang depensa.
Alright, may dinadraw up yung coaching staff. Let's see kung makaka-execute dito ang Health Insurers.
So play is important here for PhilHealth. But first, a good pass. And they get it.
Pagon with the tip. Rica. Oh, what a save para kay Ronquillo. And Rica pushes. Oh, magpantay. Ang ganda ng dig. Rica.
Laterta finds herself down.
Kinuha na ni Pagon. Ano? Rica with the push. Salavante. There's a save by Villanueva. And yes! Makakakuha ng side out itong Health Insurers.
But not without a lot of laughs inside the court. Medyo natawa silang lahat sa sequence na yun eh. Daming bagsakan at bunggo ang nangyari.
Some more wet spots on the floor, perhaps. All right, everything good. Mahabol ang PhilHealth after being down by 4, tatlo. Oliveros. Great dig para kay Magpantay.
That was a good set.
Yes!
Good set by Laterta.
A nice 2-point run para sa Health Insurers. Magandang bawi after the timeout. Coach Espino, good serve. Villanueva. Inangat ni Rica. Agton. Yes! 3 straight points naman para sa Health and Shooters. And it's back to a 1-point game.
Mitch Agton, 20 points already.
Oliveros with the pass. Agton. Bangkola to Salavante mula sa back row. Inangat ni magpantay. Good dig. Agton ulit with a drop. Nakaabang si Villanueva. Villanueva with a hit and another dig para kay magpantay. Raterta with a tip. Oh, a series of exciting moves in attacks. Oh, a good save. Oh, nag-agawan sa Salavante Oliveros. Fortunately, a play on. Nice hit para kay Rica mula sa back row. Oliveros. Oh, what a rally.
Oh, too close to the net.
With the left hand. Villanueva, drop shot. Inangat ni Texon. Agton on the attack.
Ball still alive. Over-receive. Buhay pa rin ang bola.
Oh, there is the finish. Villanueva kinapos na ba? Mapapagod ka rin sa palitan na yun, ano?
Sabi sa'yo, no, physical strength, real test of talagang resilience, tsaka tibay. Parang ito yung sinong unang kukurap. So, tied 10-all. Villanueva for the kills, redeems herself.
PhilHealth naghahabol ng isa. And they get an easy one. Oliveros with a service fault. Good pass. Villanueva. Agton with a nice block. Agton cut shot. What an angle. Back-to-back points para sa Health and Shooters at lalamang sila ng isa.
Good adjustment by Agton. You know, she doesn't really give a lot of hard hits, but yung tamang placement kung saan lang niya dadalhin yung bola.
A timeout para sa PNP. They're down by 1.
Dito mo lang matulampid na dito. Ito yung strong blocker nila eh. Ha? Pinag-control mo pa yung pinaikot yung bablakan. Okay, go, go, go. Slowly lang muna, slowly lang.
Kulang! Hey, PNP!
Isa ko rin maligsis.
Alright, ito namang Health and Shooters na buhayan. After trailing by 3 points, they are up by 1. Good pass, Limsiaco. Agton. Villanueva, ang ganda ng palo, ang haba. Straight to the edge for the point. And side out to tie the game.
15 points for Villanueva.
Leading scorer na siya along with Ronquillo. Parehong tig 15. Agton. Inangat ni Limsiaco. Bangkola to Villanueva. What an up para kay Rica. Agton. Overpass. Oh, ganda ng coverage ni Salavante. Salavante on the attack. It is just outside.
But she had the right thing in mind. Kulang lang ng konting clip of the wrist. Now, if PhilHealth managed to steal this and extends this to a 5th set, you know, either way the game goes, it's a good thing for PhilHealth already.
Yeah. pwede mong sabihin na baka nakuha na nila yung momentum, shift ng bahagya sa kanila, no? Because of how tight this game is.
That's right. And they're going up against PNP. Like we said, no, one of the stronger teams here in the league.
Easy over. Raterta, saan siya pupunta? Go to your top gun. Agton is blocked. Back row, Rica. Inangat ni Ronquillo. Bangcola to Villanueva. Ang ganda ng depensa, pero a little out of control yung dig. And Rica, and we're tied at 13.
This is getting exciting. But you can also feel, no, fatigue is kicking in for some of the players in the court.
Good serve. Ang ganda din ng hatid ni Rica. Texon. Inangat ni Limsiaco. Bangcola. Medyo mababa for Etucas. Agton. Eto si Ronquillo. Inangat ni Magpantay. Rica. Hindi nagustuhan yung set. Easy over. Salavante. Inangat ni Raterta. Caspillo to Texon. Oh, masok! Sa fingertips ni Limsiaco at lalamang na naman ang Health Insurers.
And this is one good thing about PhilHealth. You know, almost everybody really contributing as well. Agton at the service line, 21 points.
May tig-isang timeout pa ang parehong koponan. And for sure, they're gonna need it. Sa ganitong dikit na laban, what a dig para kay Magpantay.
That was actually a perfect pass.
Bangcola, papunta kay Ronquillo. Off-speed hit, Raterta with the up. Rica sa gitna. Oh, kinapos! And nanggigil si Rica doon. She had a one-on-one sa gitna. They're tied at 14. Huwag kayong kukurap.
That's right. Hindi pwedeng kumarap.
Hindi nyo malalaman kung ano mangyayari dito. Great pass again para kay Magpantay. Ito si Rica.
Oh, ball still alive.
Ganda ng save ni Salavante. But it's a chance ball. Caspillo sa gitna. Inangat ni Etucas. Bangcola to Ronquillo. Magpantay ulit with another excellent dig. Sa likod, Agton. Bangcola. Another dig by Magpantay. Rica. Oh, what an exchange. Again, Salavante. Oh, and finally Salavante gets one.
Off speed by Salavante. Let's take a look at that attack.
And pa rin si Magpantay, no? You love the intensity ni Magpantay sa depensa.
That's right. So, medyo na, siguro na ano lang siya ng kaunti, no? Because yung nakabase sa blocker yun, no? Rico's a little bit late with the block.
Pero ito, babawi ka agad. Ang Health Insurers, they get another point.
So this is as tight as it gets. 15 all.
Good serve. Caspillo. Oliveros. Easy pass para kay Agton. Rica, block. Rica gets it back. Nagpasaan sila ni Pagon. And what a break! An easy over turns into an easy point.
Confusion on the side of PNP. That's Bangcola and Salavante.
Oh nga, no? You'd think Bangcola kukunin niya yun. That was the second touch. 1 point lead ulit para sa Health Insurers. Great serve para kay Caspillo. Pagkakataon, Raterta. We'll go to Texon. Limsiaco with the up. Ronquillo ulit. Oh, what a hit! Ronquillo. That was a broken play.
Good hit by Mila Ronquillo.
Rica. Yes! One point lead para sa Health Insurers. Rica, 12 na. Second leading scorer pagkatapos ng 21 ni Mitch Agton. Oh, that serve is going to be long para kay Texon. Masakit yun. They fight so hard to take the lead, pero nakapagtapon sila ng easy point.
But that's only the third point that they have given away here in this set. So that says a lot.
There's an ace para kay Ronquillo. 2 straight points para sa Lady Patrollers. Another good serve! Ronquillo! Around 4 players. Butas na butas yung receive.
Ina Ronquillo scoring her 4th service ace. PNP already has 7 service aces here in this set.
Easy over, chance ball. Oliveros, block touch. And gagamit na naman ang kanyang huling timeout. Ito si Coach Espino. They're down by 3 points.
Yun na naman, yung kanina pa rin position ng Kanagarami.
Tingnan yung position nyo, kaya hindi nila nakuha. Magkapatong kayong dalawa rito eh. Ayun o, magkasunuran kayo, kaya nalito ka kanina kung kukunin mo o hindi. Nasa likod mo si Karen. Bigyan nyo ng space. Paano nyo ibigay yung... Tapos yung kukuha ng gitna, itong dalawa.
Forward lang ako.
Forward ka na lang ng konti.
Okay lang. Kahit dalawa ni Mitch talaga ang most ano dyan. Tapos yung libero.
Dito tayo naman.
Itatago nyo si ano, yung opposite.
Ano?
Karen na tayo.
Ha? Huwag na tayo.
Yung pwesto lang naman. Okay, Philip!
Team!
Alright, huling timeout na po yan. Coach Espino. And they are down by 3, kaya kailangan niya ng tumawag at try and stop this run ng Lady Patrollers for a set away from winning this match. Pagon with the easy over. Bangkola, Villanueva, it's outside.
And that target of PNP, yung kanilang zone 1 or down the line hit the side of PhilHealth. Kasi scored a lot of points there. Yun nga yung naging subject ng timeout ng PhilHealth earlier. How to cover that area.
Good serve. Bangkola underhand pass Villanueva. Pinangat ni magpantay. Agton. And it's outside.
Too much power on the swipe.
Balik sa 3. Kalamangan ng Lady Patrollers. Nababahala na si Coach Espino. No more timeouts remaining. Down by 3. Ang Lady Patrollers 4 points away from winning the match. Agton. Pinangat ni Ronquillo. Ito si Villanueva. Blocked by Pagon. Villanueva susubok ulit. Pinangat ni Pagon. Here comes Agton. It's just outside yung tip ni Bangkola. Good job by magpantay. Letting it go.
The way things are going, this is still doable for PhilHealth.
Health insurers checking kung sino magsaserve. And tama, si Pagon nga. Supposed to serve. 2 points down. Short pass. Villanueva. Cut shot!
Oh, good angle. That was a joy to look at. Pag nakakakuha siya ng magandang buwelo, magandang wind-up. Excellent hit.
And now, back to a 3-point lead. Bangkola serving. Meron siyang full front line with the Tucas, Villanueva, and Salavante. Agton. Salavante saving it. Tinawid ni Limsiaco. Salavante. Inangat ni Rica. Agton is in front. And that is
chased by Ronquillo.
Caspillo. Ito si Villanueva. Yes! Again, finds another opening. 4-point lead. Last 2 points ng Lady Patrollers galing kay Villanueva.
And she has scored a lot once again in that down the line.
Yep.
Zone 1.
2 points away from winning the match. Pero nagtapon ng puntos si Bangkola on the service fault.
3 points na lang ang kalamangan ng PNP na with the way things are going, kayang-kayang habulin ng PhilHealth.
Great serve.
Good serve.
Salavante. Inangat ni Raterta. Agton, aatake. Salavante again. Inangat ni Raterta. Rica will set. Ito si Agton. Bangkola to Villanueva. Yes!
Oh, powerful hit by Villanueva.
Baon na baon para kay Villanueva to put Lady Patrollers at 4 match points. Agton and the attack. Oh no! Wait a minute! Ang ganda ng coverage. Caspillo keeping it alive. Caspillo with a hit. Oh, Caspillo! Because of the save, she gets a chance to score and saves a match point.
Let's take a look at that once again. Important serve here now for Mitch Agton. And no room for errors on the side of PhilHealth.
Good pass. Ronquillo for the win. Not yet, sabi di magpantay. Nice push para kay Caspillo. Salavante. Oh, and an attack error, Salavante. Another match point lost. Pero may dalawa pa sila. Timeout, Coach Pinalba. Last timeout na rin to para sa PNP.
May tumba, may sila dito. Siya. Di pa siya. Pasa.
Alright, parehong koponan with no more timeouts remaining. Pero ang Lady Patrollers still up 2 match points kontra kila Caspillo and the Health Insurers. Bangkola. Ronquillo going for the win. Not yet. Magpantay again. Ang ganda ng coverage sa likod. Rica. Inangat ni Villanueva. Ronquillo ulit. Oh, and there it is. Finally. Mila Ronquillo with the winning shot. And a come from behind win dito ng Lady Patrollers after losing by 6 points in the opening set. Bumawi sila and won the next 3 sets. Terrific job para sa Lady Patrollers. They will bounce back after losing their last game kontra sa Comelec. In 3 sets, get a win here as they take down itong PhilHealth to have lost their fourth straight game already. Our best player kasama ngayon ni Rina Villamor Camara. Rina?
That's right, ang ating best player of this match. We have Jel Villanueva. Congratulations sa koponan ng PNP Lady Patrollers. Jel, you were very efficient on this match. Lahat ng mga crucial attacks na ibigay mo sa larong ito to be able to survive, especially the 4th set. No? Paano mo nagawa yun?
Sabi po ng coach namin, lakas ng loob lang po at more communication lang po sa loob ng court.
Okay, itong first round nyo, hindi pa tapos. Your last game here in the first round will be up against the AFP Lady Gunners. So, paano nyo naman paghahandaan itong kuponan ng AFP team?
Actually po, nakahanda na po kami, pero 1 game up at a time na po kami.
That's right. That's the spirit. Laging nakahanda para sa kupunan ng PNP team. May mga gusto ko bang batiin at pasalamatan para sa larong ito, Jel?
Ay, hi lang po dyan sa family ko, sa taga Negros lang po, type kay Sir Abesha, kay Coach Jason, at saka sa jowa ko po.
And you get a gift back coming from the UVL family. Maraming salamat. Congratulations once again, Jel Villanueva and the entire of the PNP Lady Patrollers. Eric and Ivy.
Maraming salamat, Rina. Congratulations, Villanueva and the rest of the Lady Patrollers. What a gutsy win. Talagang nilaban, lumaban at nanalo.
That's right. So it was PNP really, talagang they really wanted to recover from the loss last time, and they have a lot to prove actually. Eh. Sabi nga ni Jel, di ba? Parang handa na sila doon sa next opponent nila. But I think very much so dahil ang PNP dapat lagi talagang handa.
That's right.
But we also have to give it to PhilHealth, no? They really give out a good fight. Pinahirapan nila ng todo tong PNP.
Terrific job by both teams, pero unfortunately isa lang ang pwedeng manalo at yon ang PNP. Again, bouncing back after their last loss, kaya they will climb up to 4-2 sa ating standings. Samantalang ang Health Insurers will drop down to 1-4. 4 straight losses para sa kanila. Alright, tingnan natin yung ating schedule for our next triple header na atin sa inyo. Right here sa UNTV Sports social media outlets. That's on Facebook and YouTube. We're back here. Paco Arena sa Wednesday lang yan. Because April 2 coming up already in just a few days. DFA kontra sa AFP. And then ang Wellness Warriors taking on these Health Insurers. Galing lang sa talo. Mantalang ang Comelec will take on NHA, another team na naghahanap ng kanilang unang panalo so far in the season. Thank you for watching us. Salamat din kay Rina Villamor Camara, my partner Ivy Remulla. Ako po si Eric Tipan. We'll see you again. Magkita-kita tayo for the next playdate ng UVL Season 3 dito lang sa UNTV Sports.